Accessories introduction. A pair of eyepieces and standard objective lenses. XY axis movable centering telescope. Crossboard circular stage plate. Universal sample holder, power adapter, fluorescent shield. Camera interface. Camera. Universal sample holder bracket, accessory installation steps. Remove the dust cover of the eyepiece tube. Insert the eyepiece into the eyepiece tube. Then this is the condenser lens. When installing the condenser lens, align the fiber screw with the groove part and tighten the 3 screws below. It fits perfectly. It means to let the fiber screw just mentioned, the groove on the top. Then tighten the fiber screw at this time. Insert the phase contrast insert from either side of the condenser. Push the blank into the optical path. Move the X and Y axes. Align the edge of the moving ruler with the edge of the stage. Tighten the 3 screws below. Plug in the power adapter. Insert a 12-volt to amp socket. Connect the power. Turn the objective turntable. The current objective lens parameters will be announced. 20 times magnification. Insert the objective with the corresponding parameters. Current hole position. Turn the objective turntable in turn. 10 times and 4 times bright field. 10 times. 20 times, 40 times. Place the circular stage in the stage. The edge of the circular stage is sloping. Place it as shown in the figure. Place the universal sample clip on the tray. Tear off the protective film of the fluorescent baffle. First, loosen the screw at the bayonet. When the fluorescent baffle is snapped into the slot on left, tighten the screw. Fix the fluorescent baffle. Install the camera interface. Loosen the screw. Open the dust cover. Insert the interface into the slot. Tighten the screw. Install the camera. Remove the camera dust cover. Install the camera on the interface. Adjust to 10 times. Remove one eyepiece. Insert the collimation telescope into the eyepiece tube. Insert the 10 times phase difference objective lens into the light path. 10 times phase. Push the 10 times phase difference ring into the light path. Adjust the aperture. Loosen the screws on the side of the collimator. Adjust the collimation telescope until a clear bright ring appears in the field of view. After a clear bright ring appears, tighten the side screws. Observe whether the bright and dark rings are concentric. If not, use a hexagon screwdriver. Adjust the two screws above the phase contrast insert. Until the two rings under the eyepiece become concentric. Adjust the 20 times aberration turntable. Insert the 20 times phase difference objective into the light path. 20 times phase contrast. Push the 20 times phase difference ring phase difference plate into the light path. Slightly adjust the aperture light gate. Adjust concentric circles in the same way. When the speaker icon turns gray, the voice broadcast function is turned off. When the speaker icon lights up, the voice broadcast function is turned on. Long press the brightness adjustment knob. The time icon on the right of Eco flashes. At this time, you can use the brightness adjustment knob. Set the trigger duration of the Eco function. Shorten the time to the off position. This indicates that the Eco function is turned off. After setting the Eco function duration, shortly press the knob to confirm the function and enter the objective turret hole name setting. According to the objective lens name corresponding to. Rotate the knob to select the corresponding name. After pressing the knob to confirm the function. At this time, save the settings and exit.